Hello, everyone. Welcome. We are very happy to begin the Class A with Yashima Korosh. It's a great joy
Kita
to
akan segera
receive
memulai
us
kelas
teaching
8 dengan
together as
Michael Roach.
global community.
Kita akan belajar
Before we
bersama sebagai
begin, please
komunitas
let's take
global.
a quiet moment to settle your body and mind. Please
Sebelum
allow
kita mulai,
yourself
mari
to
kita
arrive
mengheningkan
fully here, and don't forget to set a
di,
pure
dan
motivation for this class. I
menyiapkan
wish we
diri.
can bring more wisdom, kindness, and benefits to other people around us.
Semoga kita
and
bisa
to
membawa
all our
manfaat
viewers.
kebijaksanaan
Thank you and
buat
enjoy.
semua orang. Terima kasih dan silahkan
I'm
menikmati.
sorry, I didn't have time for shower. We had board meetings all night. So, BORED meetings. You want the good news or the bad news? That's
Anda ingin mendengarkan berita baik atau berita
good
buruk?
news. Raise your hand.
Yang ingin mendengarkan berita baik, coba angkat tangan. Yang ingin mendengarkan berita
Okay,
buruk,
I'll
coba angkat
split it.
tangan.
You
Jadi
ready?
saya bagi.
Go, Sunams.
Ini ya jumlah yang sudah berhasil digalang penggalangan dana untuk proyek air, pembangunan fasilitas air berhasil mengumpulkan $103.110.
So I'll give another 2.5 if somebody match me for 2.5. Matched
Saya akan tambahkan $2.000 kalau ada yang menambahkan jumlah itu.
You gotta change the number. You gotta change the number.
Coba angkanya jadi dirubah karena baru saja mendapatkan tambahan dana.
10, if I may point out. Yeah. They'll get it straight by tomorrow.
Ya, nanti akan diberesin.
Anyway, congratulations to everybody.
Ya, selamat buat semuanya.
Sunam said the next fundraiser is for a boat.
Dan selanjutnya kita akan menggalang dana untuk beli perahu. Bercanda.
All right.
Baiklah.
You ready, you guys?
Anda udah siap?
No, what? Say. Oh, the bad news was we need 5 more. No, but we got it.
Berita buruknya kita butuh $5.000 lagi. Tapi udah selesai, jangan khawatir. Saya tidak akan mengganggu Anda lagi.
Okay. Congratulations for that.
Selamat ya.
My dad used to say, Sunam, don't spend it all in one place.
Ayah saya biasa menasehati jangan habiskan semua uang di satu tempat. Coba tampilkan slide-nya.
I like it. So I got 3 emails after I sent this to them, and they all said
Saya dapat 3 email setelah saya mengirimkan ini ke mereka.
they want it upside down. And the reason is misunderstanding the world, thinking that the world is not coming from you. You meet an irritating
Alasannya adalah kesalahpahaman bahwa dunia tidak berasal dari kita.
a ship to Diamond Mountain. Just so you know.
Jadi
So
semuanya
this is where
ini
you can meet them.
dikirim ke
So,
Diamond Mountain. Jadi kalau Anda pengen melihatnya, bisa ke Diamond Mountain.
devil's thing is
Jadi
to misunderstand things.
kesalahpahamannya
Irritating people come from their own side, right?
iblis
The devil tries to
bilang bahwa
negotiate
semuanya
with
berasal
God.
dari dirinya.
Tries to fight with
Jadi
devil.
orang yang mengasalkan kita datang dari
The
mereka.
devil tries to be a bodhisattva and smiles and goes home and hates them all night. And
Dan si iblis berusaha pulang membenci semua orang yang ditemuinya, walaupun dia tetap tersenyum.
and it means the devil's main quality is that the devil doesn't understand.
Jadi inti dari kualitas si iblis ini adalah dia tidak memahami,
And it's just
jadi
that.
memiliki
It's
kesalahpahaman.
not some ancient Buddhist philosophy thing.
Jadi bukan filsafat Buddha
It's not that.
dari
It's
2000
just
tahun, bukan.
you don't understand the people.
Tapi intinya adalah kesalahpahaman. dari mana semua
Like
berasal.
what you used to tell your parents, you just don't understand me. Okay.
Jadi sama seperti Anda kalau mau bicara kepada orang tua Anda, kalian tidak memahami saya.
Misunderstanding
Jadi kesalahpahaman.
the devil
Si iblis
misunderstands everything, especially people
salah paham
who
terhadap
believe
semuanya,
the devil. The devil
terutama
sees
yang
everything upside down.
kepada orang-orang yang mengesalkan.
If the devil went to the lecture by Gibson and Rob, he would think it was all coming from his own side or something. He would think
Jadi
the
kalau
lecture.
si iblis pergi ke suatu tempat dan kemudian ada yang merampoknya, dia merasa itu semua datang dari mereka sendiri.
Even if the devil went to the pot on the stove class, the devil would think that that class was coming from that class and not from them. Okay?
Jadi walaupun si iblis ini datang ke suatu kelas, dia masih terus memahami bahwa kelas itu datangnya dari kelas itu sendiri. Makanya semuanya tadi gambarnya sama Jesse Michael dibalik. Jadi Anda lihat, ingat gambar ini sengaja dibalik. Itu melambangkan kesalahpahaman. Ada bibit di dalam pikiran Anda yang membuat Anda salah memahami. Seperti si iblis. Pada saat si iblis tidak memahami sesuatu. Jadi bahkan si iblis pun harus mengikuti aturan bahwa segala sesuatu datangnya dari pikiran Anda. Jadi dari mana semua berasal? Lagi-lagi kita harus mengatakan dari bibit yang ada di dalam kepala pikiran Anda. Baiklah, salah pahaman. Jadi ada mantra yang diucapkan, mantra setiap hari. Ada 5 mantra untuk satu mantra. Mengatakan bahwa segala sesuatu tidak berasal dari dirinya sendiri. Jadi bahkan itu pun harus mengikuti aturan ketergantungan. Dia bisa bilang saya benar. Jadi si iblis bisa berkata mungkin saya benar karena saya datangnya dari diri. Saya tidak akan berdebat dengan Anda. Ini naskah yang sangat lucu kalau Anda memahami. Kata si iblis, saya tidak ingin berantem dengan Anda karena saya setuju dengan Anda bahwa segala sesuatu datang dari bibit. Jadi masalahnya di mana? Saya ikut aturan. Jadi dia datang dari bibit. Tapi kita mau kita mau singkirkan bibit itu. Itu satu-satunya cara untuk bisa menyingkirkan si iblis.
Okay, next.
Selanjutnya, gambar selanjutnya.
I was trying to find a king who looks mean.
Saya pengen mencari raja yang kelihatan jahat.
Like a king who looks kind of unfriendly.
Yang tidak bersahabat. Buat saya kelihatannya tidak bersahabat. Dan si iblis berkata bahwa saya adalah raja. Dan saya memiliki semua harta ini. Di dalam hati semua orang, saya adalah raja dan saya memiliki hati semua orang itu. Dan saya mengarahkan semua orang untuk melakukan 10 kejahatan. Dan pada saat kalau saya sedang beruntung, orang akan menjalankan 5 kejahatan segera. Jadi si iblis berkata, saya adalah raja. Saya berada di hati semua orang. Dan iblis membuat semua orang melakukan 10 kejahatan. Dan bahkan buat mereka yang terbaik, diajarkan oleh si iblis 5 kejahatan yang paling utama.
Killing your mother. Yay.
Salah satunya membunuh
Wasn't
ibunya.
on the. Somebody's gonna record that, you know. Yay.
Causing a schism amongst the Sangha.
Yeah, splitting up the spiritual community. That's two.
Yang kedua memisahkan masyarakat,
There's so many flowing around. Rob, let's go.
memisahkan komunitas.
Killing your father as well.
Killing your father.
Ya, membunuh ayah Anda.
Two more.
Apalagi ada dua lagi.
Drawing blood from a Buddha?
There's
Attempting to hurt a Buddha because you can't really hurt him.
Kita melukai
A little
seorang
bit more
Buddha.
information. Is it Rod? If the blood goes, like I go get my blood drawn regularly.
With a negative intent.
Good. Okay. Yeah.
Ya. Jadi menumpahkan darah dari seorang
You're a
Buddha.
nurse and you check the Buddha's blood.
Tapi kalau seorang perawat hanya lagi ngecek darah, ya itu nggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau tujuannya jahat, nah itu baru menjadi menanam bibit buruk.
I'm sorry.
That's
My
all right.
first answer ever.
Yay!
Jawaban pertama saya,
But we don't know if it's correct yet.
kita masih nggak tahu itu jawabannya benar apa enggak.
Let's do it correct. So, divide Sangha? No?
Memisahkan sangga,
That's okay.
ya masih boleh lah.
What? Cheat on your husband? No?
Atau mengkhianati suami Anda,
That one's
bukan?
okay.
Nah, kalau yang itu boleh nggak apa-apa.
One more.
Ayo, apa lagi?
Try.
Coba lagi.
Kill assigned person, like Arya?
I don't know. Is it?
Membunuh seorang Arya
Arhat.
Is it?
atau membunuh seorang Arhat?
It's okay. Give it to
Okay,
someone else.
$100.
Nggak apa-apa, masih dapat $100.
Okay. Anyway, he does the whole thing. All right.
Jadi si iblis melakukan semua itu.
Next picture.
Gambar selanjutnya.
This is falling off the cliff. And
Ja-
it
seseorang
relates
jatuh
to,
dari
first
tebing.
of all, to middle way. Okay, so we
Ini pengajaran middle way,
study Madhyamaka.
di mana
We
kita
study the
belajar.
middle way. Normally, they would say that it's the middle way between thinking that things exist and thinking that things don't exist. Okay, so in
Jadi
Buddhism,
kalau di middle way mereka
school
bicara
is the
tentang
middle way school.
kalau di dalam
It
agama
says
Buddha yang
that
tertinggi adalah
when
middle
you
school.
live your life,
Pada
it's
saat
like
Anda
you're
hidup,
driving down the street. And,
seperti Anda
I
menyetir
like
di
to
jalan.
think of it on a highway, and I
Saya
like to think of
lagi
it like on the
saya
Verrazano
senang
Bridge.
membayangkan di jalan
You know
tol
the Verrazano Bridge? It's a very high bridge between
seperti lagi sedang di jembatan.
Staten Island and 20 bucks. So I broke on the top of the bridge at midnight one time. And that was the car that I fixed that didn't fix so good.
Dan Jason Michael pernah mobilnya mogok di
And
atas
you have two
jembatan
choices. You can
di
fall
malam
off
hari.
the right side or you can fall off the left side.
Jadi Anda bisa memilih apakah mau jatuh di sisi kanan atau di sisi kiri jalan.
And it was cold, it was winter. And I was trying to fix the Volkswagen. And so
Waktu
if you
itu
fall off one
mobilnya
side,
mogok,
it
Jason
says
Michael bersama
things
perbaikinya.
don't
Kalau
exist. Okay, somebody told you
Jatuh di satu sisi, Anda bilang bahwa segala sesuatu itu
things
tidak
are
ada.
not the way you think they are.
Atau mereka ada tapi tidak seperti yang Anda pikirkan.
The side of falling off the middle way because you
Jadi-
think things do exist.
Jadi di sisi lain Anda berpikir di middle way Anda berpikir bahwa
You can buy the pen from
segala
the
sesuatu
store.
itu
Okay.
ada.
If you think you can get a pen from the store,
Jadi kalau Anda pikir Anda bisa beli pulpen dari
side of the
toko,
bridge, then
Anda
what's the
jatuh di salah satu sisi. Nah, kalau sisi lainnya,
good? Okay, fine.
sisi lainnya adalah bahwa tidak ada
Nice, I didn't offer you any money.
tidak ada pulpen di dunia ini.
Yeah. Oh, you could fall off one side if you say the pen comes from the store, but you fall off
Jadi
the other
di
side.
satu sisi Anda bisa mengatakan
Pen doesn't
pulpen
come
berasal
from
dari
the
toko,
little pens. The pen-
atau di sisi lain Anda bisa mengatakan tidak ada pena di dunia ini.
By the way, what's the percentage of people who fall off the first side, and what's the percentage of people fall off the
Jadi
second
berapa
side?
persen orang yang jatuh di satu sisi dan berapa persen orang yang jatuh di sisi lainnya?
Yeah, 99.999% people fall off the store side. And
Jadi
then there's a small group of people
99,99%
straight
orang
from
jatuh
this history
kepada
who say
percaya
no
bahwa
pen at all.
pulpen bisa dibeli di
They say
toko.
nothing
Kemudian
exists.
sisanya
It's
percaya
much more
bahwa
common to
pulpen
fall
itu
off
tidak.
the bridge by
Jadi
saying that this pen come from the store.
Jadi
How do you
lebih
stay in
besar
the middle?
kemungkinannya orang jatuh di sisi dari jembatan di
Yeah, the
sisi
pen comes from me. You can go this
kepercayaan
way. The
bahwa
pen comes from me.
pulpennya itu bisa dibeli
Okay, good.
toko.
So that's normally the
Itu
two cliffs.
biasanya yang
Okay, you
terjadi.
say two cliffs. You fall off this cliff,
Jadi
or you fall off this cliff. And
ada
that's the
dua
picture
tebing.
here.
Anda bisa
But
jatuh di tebing yang satu atau di tebing
in
yang
this
satunya lagi.
verse, which is 396, okay, we're on verse number
Tapi di ayat
396.
ini di
After
ayat nomor 396
15 years,
setelah 15
we've
tahun
been going for 15 years on this thing.
kita sudah mempelajari ini selama 15 tahun.
We're just 2/3 through, okay?
Kita baru
So we
saja mempelajari 2/3-nya.
7 years, something like that.
Jadi
It's
butuh
a good
7 tahun lagi.
All right. Here's his version of falling off, okay?
Jadi ini versinya bagaimana kita jatuh
Do their
ke tebing.
practice. They think about emptiness this way is
Jadi
because
pada
of my blessing. Who's talking? That people
Jadi
think the pen
ada
comes
orang
from the
percaya
store
bahwa dia jatuh
is
di
my
sisi
blessing.
itu karena dia mendapatkan
Now the Pope knows
berkatan.
this, you know. And then the devil's going like, this is my blessing to you.
Jadi
You know, everything comes from the
seperti si
store.
iblis memberkati semua orang supaya jatuh.
Then he accuses the wisdom, the angel,
Dan
and he
kemudian si
says
iblis
if we
menuduh
accept
si
your
malaikat
idea
bahwa
that it's not true that everything is
gagasan
coming
Anda
from you,
adalah tidak benar
or
bahwa
it's
segala
not
sesuatu
true
berasal
that
dari
things
dirimu.
exist. If we accept your
Dan
idea,
tidak benar bahwa
then we
ada
fell off the
sesuatu
other
itu
cliff.
ada.
He said, the devil said to the angel,
Jadi si iblis
if we
berkata
accept
kepada
your
malaikat,
idea,
kalau
then we
kita
don't
setuju
believe
dengan
anything exists.
gagasan bahwa segala sesuatu itu
If you
ada,
say you cannot get a pen from a store,
jadi kalau Anda
then you're
bilang
saying there's
bahwa Anda
nothing else. Then you fell off the cliff.
bilang bahwa Anda tidak bisa beli pena dari
The
toko,
devil's
artinya pena
accusing
itu
the
tidak ada.
angel. If you
Jadi
say
si iblis
I cannot
menuduh
get a
si
pen from a
malaikat.
store,
Jadi kalau Anda
then
bilang bahwa saya tidak bisa beli
then
pena
you
dari
fell off
toko,
the other side of the cliff, and you
berarti Anda
believe there's
jatuh
no pens at all.
dari
If I
tebing
cannot get a pen in the
ya
store,
yang
then
mengatakan
there's no
bahwa
pens at all.
segala sesuatu itu
You
tidak
fell
ada.
off the cliff. Okay, got it? You all right? It's
Anda
very quiet.
memahami?
I wish it was that quiet when we meditate, Joe.
Ya, orang pada
We
diem
ask
ya.
questions during translator class. And it gets
Harusnya
really
kita kalau
quiet.
meditasi setenang ini.
Then we meditate and everyone's talking. So, all right, all right. He accuses her of falling off a cliff, okay? He says to her, if you can't get a pen from the store, then there's no pen. Okay? He tells her that. All right. Next picture.
Jadi intinya kalau kita tidak bisa
This is a
beli pena
special
dari
kind of
toko,
mouse
berarti tidak ada
called a lemming. Say
pena.
lemming. I don't know if
Ini
it exists in Ireland or something like that.
gambar
And
binatang lemming kalau nggak salah ada
sometimes
di
they go crazy.
Irlandia.
The whole population goes crazy. And they
Kadang-kadang
run off a cliff.
satu
And they all die. Like 10,000, 20,000. They don't know what
kadang-kadang mereka satu
Nobody
gerombolan
figured it
besar itu sama-sama melakukan hal yang gila, yaitu terjun
It's
ke
called the lemmings.
tebing.
They look like that, and they all turn
Bisa
around and they all
10.000
jump
atau
off the cliff.
20.000 semuanya menjatuhkan diri ke
Thousands of
tebing dan
them
semuanya
at the
mati.
same time, and they all
Semua
die. And
ribuan
it
dari mereka
means
semua menjatuhkan diri
the
ke
devil
tebing.
says
Jadi si iblis
the
berkata,
majority of people
kebanyakan orang
don't believe that the pen is coming from them. You know,
tidak
the
percaya
majority of people
bahwa
don't believe
pena berasal dari
that
diri
the
mereka.
pen is coming from them. Only a tiny, tiny percent of the
Hanya
people
sedikit
believe
yang
that they are
percaya
making the pen. Okay.
bahwa mereka menciptakan
If
pena.
you took a vote today
Kalau
in the
kita
world,
ambil
if you
suara
took a
hari ini,
vote, how many people vote the pen is coming from the store?
berapa yang akan memilih bahwa pena berasal dari toko? Mungkin 99% berkata bahwa pena bisa dibeli di toko. Hanya dan kemudian hanya sedikit persentase yang mengatakan bahwa pena tidak berasal dari toko.
Normally, if 99% people believe something, it's probably they are right? Probably they are.
Biasanya kalau ada lebih dari 99% orang mempercayai sesuatu, biasanya mereka benar. Tapi kalau dalam kasus ini, tapi Anda harus memahami bahwa pena berasal dari mereka.
Who saw the seeds open, I'm not talking about.
Saya tidak bicara tentang orang yang bisa melihat bibit berbuah.
Who believes it? That things are
Yang
coming from
percaya
seeds. That's
bahwa
very rare.
orang yang bisa mempercayai bahwa semua berasal dari bibit itu sangat sedikit persentasenya. Kalau kita mengambil suara, kalau kita mengambil suara, itu binatang lemming itu benar. Semua pada menjatuhkan diri ke tebing.
Who do they support?
Kebanyakan orang lebih mendukung,
They believe my position. The pen
mereka
comes from the
percaya
store. Therefore,
percaya pada posisi bahwa pena itu bisa dibeli di toko.
Because you'll have to go back to the store, or you'll have to make more money. You see what I mean? That's his position.
Dan kemudian mereka percaya bahwa mereka harus membeli lebih banyak pena untuk di toko, dan mereka harus menghasilkan lebih banyak uang supaya mereka bisa membeli lebih banyak pena.
That means they need money. That means they need to compete with other people.
Yang artinya mereka harus menghasilkan uang supaya mereka, dan artinya mereka harus bersaing dengan orang lain supaya bisa menghasilkan uang.
There's 2 coffee shops in our town. Okay.
Ada 2 kafe di kota mereka. Jadi Jesse Michael buka satu kafe, terus tiba-tiba ada yang buka lagi.
And they're opening a new store. He's driving, right? I was sitting and I'm watching, and I said, "Look, somebody's opening something. What's the sign say?" And he said,
kemudian suatu hari,
"It says Rimrock Coffee Company." And
suatu hari mereka menyadari bahwa ada orang yang buka toko dan ternyata itu kafe.
It's my students, so I'm trying to be cool in the car, I'm like.
Waktu itu Jesse Michael agak deg-degan.
Gesla, looks like it bothered you a little bit.
Dan ada murid yang dekat situ dan bilang, Jesse Michael, kok kamu kelihatannya seperti terganggu dengan keberadaan dari kafe itu.
I'm like, turn around. He's like, what? And we turned around, and I got $1,000 ready, and I went to the door, and the lady wasn't there. We left it a note, and I think we left the money there. Turns out that her husband got the money, and it seems like he didn't tell her.
Waktu itu Jesse Michael ingin memberikan uang kepada seseorang, jadi mereka berbalik, mobilnya berbalik dan meninggalkan uang di pintu, dan ternyata yang diambil oleh suami dari wanita yang membutuhkan uang tersebut. Dan mereka menganggap itu sebagai pinjaman.
And I'm like, oh, okay. And she said, but we need money. We need some money. And I'm like, how much do you need? She says, 35,000. I'm like, oh.
Akhirnya si pemilik rumah, si istrinya bilang bahwa mereka membutuhkan uang pinjaman sebesar $35,000. Dan Jesse Michael memberikan uang yang dibutuhkan tersebut. Kenapa Jesse Michael bicara tentang sangat sulit setelah belajar kebudayaan selama bertahun-tahun untuk pergi ke suatu tempat dan orang yang belum dikenal, dan ada seorang wanita yang sedang membereskan tempat itu.
Probably with my $1,000, he went to Mexico or something.
Karena suaminya sudah meninggalkan dia, dan jadi si istri itu harus mengerjakan sendiri. Jadi buat Jesse Michael, walaupun sudah bertahun-tahun mempelajari kebudayaan, itu masih sulit bagi dia untuk memberikan uang yang dibutuhkan. Jadi
of the many
ke-
lemmings that
kebanyakan
usually
orang
protect
masih
your coffee shop, and you should
eh,
fight with her, and you should tell everybody,
kebanyakan
I
orang masih
love
mengambil
that coffee
posisi
shop,
seperti
you
si
know,
Lemming yang
it's
menjatuhkan
got
diri
all my
tebing.
people there in
Jadi
the coffee
kalau
house,
seperti kasus Jason Michael sebagai pemilik kafe, dia tidak
yes,
ingin membantu pemilik kafe yang satunya.
right? You just little things you say. Yeah, I like that place. You know, it's just if you can get a chair, because usually the roaches are sitting in the chair. That's the old coffee shop, by the way. That's the one where they put the bar, Red Bear, the bar and the
Jadi
hamburgers and pizza.
biasanya orang segan
When you
ya
first come
untuk
into Rimrock,
membantu
that used to be a
pesaingnya.
coffee shop. Me and Jigme used to sit there and fight the roaches and try to catalog the kanji.
Ya, mereka
And
bicara
they're very,
tentang kafe yang lama,
the
banyak
roaches won.
kecewanya, dan kursinya itu
Okay, so
di
anyway,
luar di jalan.
even after many years,
Setelah
it's very
bertahun-tahun mempelajari
difficult.
itu,
It was very difficult
sangat
to
sulit bagi Jason Michael
understand that
untuk
if we
memahami
help our competitor,
kalau kita membantu pesaing
see
kita,
what I mean? Okay,
itu artinya kita membantu
because
diri kita
you
sendiri
grew up
karena
in a world where the
kita
majority
tumbuh
of people
di
don't believe it.
dunia
It's
yang
so difficult. When
memahami
you grow up
bahwa
in a
pena
world
itu bisa dibeli di toko.
99.9% of the people say, Geshe-la, you are crazy. She's stealing our design of
99,9%
our patio.
akan mengatakan
She
bahwa
says,
Jason
look,
Michael
I
itu
made the
gila
patio
karena
just like yours.
membantu
I'm like,
pesaingnya.
yeah, that seems to be happening. And so anyway, to be happy and to
Jadi
support a person,
untuk merasa senang dan mendukung
that means you understand the middle way. Okay? That means you
mendukung
understand.
pesaing kita, itu
Not
artinya
to
kita
go against,
memahami
okay?
middle
The
way.
lemmings will say, you are foolish if you help your
Jadi
competitor. Okay?
Jadi
Just
kalau
think
si binatang yang lemming tadi yang
even
menjatuhkan
for
diri
me,
di
it's
jurang
hard. It's difficult. I'm
akan
saying it's
mengatakan
difficult.
kamu gila kalau kamu membantu pesaing
You
kamu.
just have to try it. You have to try
Jadi
it.
Anda
You
harus
can,
mencoba.
practically speaking, you can do
Anda bisa
small
mencoba.
tests of this philosophy.
Coba diuji coba
If she
sedikit.
asks for 35,000, give her 35.
Kalau pesaing Anda minta pinjaman $35.000, ya
And
kasih
start small
$35.000.
and see how it
Tapi Anda bisa mulai dengan jumlah yang kecil dan
Start
lihat
small,
bagaimana
see if
hasilnya.
things improve. And
Dan
in
lihat
my experience, that's the
bagaimana
way to do it. You can't give
kehidupan
35,000
kita
the first
berubah.
day. You won't be able to do it. Okay.
Kalau buat Jason
Because
Michael
the whole
sangat
world is
sulit
going
untuk
the
bisa
other way.
mendapatkan
There's too many
$35.000
people doing the opposite.
dipinjamkan ke
You
pesaing.
can't compete with that. Okay.
Tapi terlalu banyak orang yang
Don't
percaya
forget what's it called?
sebaliknya,
What creature?
yaitu bahwa segala sesuatu
Lemming. It's like lemming, but
berasal dari dirinya sendiri.
lemming. Okay.
Jadi sangat sulit tuh. Ini si lemming ya,
Next.
binatang-binatang menjatuhkan diri dari tebing.
So I've been teaching the translators for 10 years.
Saya
We
sudah
had 10,000
mengajarkan kepada penerjemah,
celebration
para penerjemah selama 10 tahun. Bagaimana
weeks
kita
ago.
merayakan sesuatu
On the
beberapa
horse here,
minggu lalu.
February 17th, right? 16th. We had our
Ya, kita baru saja merayakan Tahun Baru Cina,
Chinese
Sio Kuda,
12 people.
17 Februari. Ada 12 orang laki perempuan
10 years ago, we started
10
to
tahun yang lalu
translate together.
yang mulai
And I started
menerjemahkan
to teach
bersama.
them how to translate. And it
Dan
was
Jason Michael
crazy.
mengajarkan kepada mereka bagaimana untuk menerjemahkan, dan itu sulit sekali.
Really bad.
Sangat
For a
sulit.
long time. And then something
Waktu yang
happened
lama.
after 10 years.
Dan kemudian sesuatu terjadi setelah 10 tahun. Kita 2 minggu lalu.
No, everyone suddenly got brilliant and Gibson's
Tiba-tiba
giving
semua orang jadi
lectures.
pintar.
It's kind of strange. For me, it's kind of
Agak
strange.
aneh.
All the
Buat
translators
Jason Michael sangat terasa aneh.
and they are growing like crazy.
Seperti
So,
tiba-tiba mereka tumbuh
yeah.
dan bunganya mekar. Menarik sekali.
Yeah, there's a before and after.
Jadi ada
You
sebelum
know,
dan
nobody has white hair, and
yang di bawah itu rambutnya masih hitam semua.
then after 10 years later, it's the above.
Dan 10 tahun kemudian
Notice
rambutnya
my
udah
hair is almost
putih.
gray.
Buat saya rambutnya semuanya
Why
putih.
am I talking about that? So I started a special
Kenapa
class
saya
program,
bicara tentang ini? Karena
We divided into 12 translators because we want to cover
Eh,
all of the
karena
great
Jesse
schools
Michael
of
membuka
Buddhism.
kelas penerjemahan, ada
Basically, there are
12
12
penerjemah
great schools.
dan
Because
ada
in the last 2.5
12
years,
mazhab yang
each
dipelajari.
translator
Jadi
has
setiap
a different
penerjemah
responsibility for a different
punya
school.
tanggung jawab
Because each
masing-masing
school
untuk
uses
mazhab
a
yang
different language.
menjadi
There are
tanggung jawabnya.
12 different dialects. And you
Dan
can
ada
understand only
12
one language and not understand logic language, for example. So,
12
but there's one language I
logat
didn't teach
yang
them.
berbeda.
And I think only Geshes learn all the languages because we spend
Hanya seorang Geshe yang mempelajari semua bahasa
something
tersebut.
like that. Sometimes we study two in one time.
Kadang-kadang kami mempelajari dua
But I
bahasa
was
sekaligus.
thinking there's one more language that I would like to teach people, which is
Dan ada
Diamond
satu
language,
bahasa
which is
lagi
unique.
yang ingin diajarkan oleh Jesse Michael,
I
yaitu
started
cara
a
hidup
special
klien.
class
Jadi
just
Jesse
for
Michael memulai
translators,
kelas
and
tersebut
they are studying
untuk para
the Diamond
penerjemah.
Way language, how to read Diamond Way text.
Dan mereka
And,
belajar bagaimana mempelajari naskah
So I'm also
cara
trying to
hidup
teach
klien.
them to read scripts,
Saya mengajarkan mereka
handwriting,
membaca
teach them to
naskah
read handwriting.
yang ditulis dengan
They are working with 4 kinds of manuscripts. They are working
Jadi
with
mereka bekerja,
and typewriter printings
mereka
and
menggunakan
semi-cursive, half handwriting, and then full handwriting. This is full handwriting. This is the book you
dan
guys
naskahnya itu
who
semua
are in the
ditulis
translation
tangan.
class, Diamond Way translators. This is the book you're
Jadi
studying.
ini
And so
bukunya,
far we didn't get to
semua ditulis tangan.
We didn't get to the handwriting yet, okay? But
Tapi
that's
kami
next.
belum,
We're
kita
starting
belum mempelajari yang
maybe
naskah
in a week or
ditulis
so,
tangan ya.
we'll start
Itu nanti akan
and
kita
they're
pelajari.
doing very well, okay?
Dan para penerjemah ini bekerja dengan sangat
I
baik.
thought that this whole system of writing the wisdom down,
Dan
whether
menurut
you
saya
handwrite it,
eh,
print it,
cara
type
sistem
it,
ini
or you
untuk
carve it,
menuliskan
okay?
naskah,
No matter how
apakah
you
dengan
do it,
ditulis tangan atau
it's
di
all
ketik
artificial.
atau di print, itu
It's
semuanya
not Buddhism,
bagus.
philosophy,
Jadi filosofi
teaching
Buddha
people in groups like
mengajarkan
this.
orang
That's
dalam
artificial.
kelompok seperti
It's
ini.
not normal. It's not
Ini
human nature.
semuanya
Okay? It's
tidak
not
normal,
human nature to
bukan
take
sifat
100
manusia.
people, go in a room, and tell them the pen is coming from them. It's
Eh,
not normal.
Itu tidak
It's
normal
something
untuk
new
kita
and
mengajarkan
you can say
sekelompok
it's
orang dan
artificial.
menarik mereka dalam
Okay?
satu
You can
ruangan
say
dan
it's
bilang bahwa
artificial. This whole
pulpen itu
system
berasal
of writing down
dari
wisdom,
mereka.
teaching it in classes,
Mengajarkan
reciting it, memorizing, debating,
filosofi
teacher
ini
gets up in the class and teaches people.
ke,
This is all
ke
artificial.
sekelompok orang
This is
dalam
not
kelas.
human nature. This is not
Itu
normal
bukanlah
for
sifat
humans.
manusia yang normal.
To have
Eh,
classes like this
untuk
is
punya kelas
not
seperti
human
ini,
nature. Human nature
ini
is
tidak normal.
fight for yourself and your family. Or your
Karena
country.
sifat
Fight for
manusia
yourself,
adalah memperjuangkan
fight
dirinya
for your
sendiri
family,
dan
fight for
untuk
your
keluarganya
country.
sendiri
This
dan
is
untuk
human nature.
untuk
This is the
negaranya
majority
sendiri.
rule.
Jadi
Okay? If we have
kebanyakan
a
orang,
vote in
kalau
history,
kita ambil suara
the people who write
dalam
this
sejarah,
down will lose. The people who say philosophy should be preserved, philosophy should be taught, wisdom should be taught from generation to generation. These
jadi
are a
orang
tiny,
yang
tiny percentage of human beings.
mengatakan bahwa
And it's
kita
artificial
harus
intelligence.
belajar tentang
Okay? It is.
filsafat
Buddhism
dan bahwa
itself
filsafat ini harus
is a
diajarkan
very
dari
artificial intelligence.
satu
It's not
generasi,
normal.
diturunkan
And
dari
it's
satu
not
generasi ke generasi
natural.
lainnya. Itu
Natural is
tidak normal.
if you find
Sedikit yang
a deer
mempelajari itu.
body in the forest, eat it with your teeth, and fight any other caveman who comes and try to kill them.
Yang normal
That's human
adalah
nature. You see?
sifat
This
manusia
idea
adalah berkelahi
No, you
untuk
should share the deer meat with the other caveman.
untuk merebut
This idea is
makanan
very strange and it's very
atau melindungi
and
tanahnya
it's very
dari orang lain.
okay. The natural human
Jadi
tendency, the
sifat
human
manusia
habit
secara alami
is to fight for your food against other people
bahwa
and
Anda
fight for your
harus
and kill the other people who try to take it.
berkelahi untuk
This is-
mendapatkan makanan
this is
bagi keluarga Anda dan Anda harus
This is
membunuh
history.
orang lain untuk bisa
Natural,
mendapatkan
okay?
makanan. Itu
This
yang
has been going on
alami.
for since the first people came to this world.
Jadi
This is
sejak
natural.
manusia pertama
fight for your family,
ada di
fight for your
dunia
country,
ini
fight for
bahwa
yourself.
kita harus memperjuangkan
ever
makanan
loan
kita.
money
Kita
to
harus
the other coffee
memperjuangkan
shop.
keluarga kita harus
Okay,
memperjuangkan negara kita.
really, okay, this is human nature. No, this
Itu
is
adalah
normal.
sifat manusia.
This is
Dan itu
the
adalah yang normal.
this is the
Dan
lemons
itu adalah
of the
para
whole
lemming yang
history
menjatuhkan
is
diri
to fight for what you fight
bahwa
for
kita
yourself
harus
and fight for your
memperjuangkan
family
semua.
and fight for your country.
Kita harus
And this has been going on for a long time.
berjuang untuk diri kita sendiri, untuk keluarga kita, untuk negara kita.
It even looks artificial, right? This is
Naskah ini sepertinya buatan manusia. Ditulis tangan dengan menggunakan pulpen.
And this is a new thing. This is artificial. This
Ini
is
adalah buatan
completely
manusia.
unnatural.
Ini sangat tidak alami.
Kill the other caveman who found the same deer. Kill them before they kill you.
Karena yang alami adalah kita harus bunuh orang lain yang
That's
mau
natural.
merebut makanan
That's
kita.
artificial. Call them to come and share with you. You know, call the other caveman. Hey, I found a deer. It's
Jadi
good.
kalau
Let's
gitu
eat
apa
some
yang
dinner together.
tidak
This is
alami,
not natural.
yaitu
This
kita
is-
memanggil
this is
orang-orang lain
artificial
untuk ikut
intelligence.
menikmati makanan kita.
That's not natural to people.
Itu tidak alami buat orang.
And the demon, the devil,
Si
he's
iblis
arguing that in this verse.
memperdebatkan itu.
The devil's like very, by the way, our devil, I
Si
think we can be
iblis
proud.
merasa
Those in
bangga.
other religions, they're just kind of funny or stupid or silly. Our devil is sophisticated. You know,
Jadi
our
kalau di
devil
agama
knows-
lain
he knows
mungkin si
philosophy.
iblisnya kelihatannya
He knows how to
bodoh
argue. He's like, Miss
dan
Angel,
lucu. Tapi
yes,
kalau iblis di sini
talk
itu
about
sangat
artificial
canggih.
intelligence. Yeah, okay.
Bahkan bisa bicara
What's the
tentang
natural way to do
artificial
things?
intelligence,
Oh,
kecerdasan buatan.
you fight over the food that you find and you kill the other people who try to eat it, you know. Oh, that's the way it's always been, right? Yeah.
Jadi
that's
si
the
iblis mengatakan,
tradition of
oh
our
iya kamu
generations.
memperebutkan makanan
That's
itu dan kamu
natural.
harus membunuh orang
We
lain
should
untuk bisa mendapatkan
stick to
makanan itu.
natural.
Dan itu sudah terjadi
Not too
selama
foolish.
selama beberapa generasi,
And
dan
then
itulah
the
cara
devil
alami untuk
accuses
kita
her.
mendapatkan makanan.
This new system. I
Dan
should take
kemudian
care of
si
the
iblis
other coffee
bilang,
shop owner. I should donate my
jadi
money
sistem
to
baru
the other
ini di
coffee
mana
shop
kita
owner so they can
di
control
mana
the
si
meat.
pemilik kafe membantu
This
pemilik
is
kafe
your
lainnya.
artificial intelligence.
Itu
You
semua
just made
seperti
that up.
kecerdasan buatan.
You are something
Kamu
new.
membuat
In the
sesuatu yang
world. I am
baru.
the nature of life. I
Si
am
iblis
the
berkata, sayalah
imperfection
sifat
of
alami
life.
dari kehidupan ini.
You are like
Dan
a
itu yang
beginning.
sudah berlaku
You're like a new
sepanjang
person.
kehidupan.
You just come for a
Sementara
long
si
time
malaikat, kamu
and
baru.
you're gonna go away and my system will be here after you're gone. Okay. The
Dan
devil is
kemudian
very
mengatakan bahwa yang diajarkan oleh si malaikat itu akan
right,
segera
this new
hilang, dan si
system,
iblis tetap
writing
akan
itself
bertahan.
is not natural to human beings.
Jadi
It's
menuliskan
artificial intelligence. Writing is artificial.
kebijaksanaan itu
Who
adalah
thought
tidak
you could write
alami.
something down about how to treat deer meat? You know, who thought you could write down on paper instructions for how to share your deer meat with other cavemen?
Siapa yang tahu bahwa ternyata kita bisa menuliskan kebijaksanaan baru yang mengajarkan bahwa kita perlu berbagi makanan yang kita miliki dengan orang lain.
In English, we
Itu
say
adalah
fashion
sesuatu yang
requirement.
baru.
You are temporary new thing. You are temporary new fashion. You know,
Jadi
you
kita
are-
berusaha
what's
menciptakan
the-
mode baru. Kita berusaha menciptakan kebiasaan baru.
What's the Japanese department store?
Contohnya
Takashimaya. The new one with the
Takashimaya.
good clothes.
Ya,
Scott
itu
like
ada
to go
mall dari Jepang,
Uniqlo. Yeah.
ya, atau
You get
Uniqlo.
Uniqlo. We're the Takashimaya. Okay.
Jadi
we've
ada
been here
antara
all the
Uniqlo dan
time.
Takashimaya.
We've been running the world our way for a long time. You're just
Jadi
gonna
itu
come and
semua.
you're gonna go. You're just a fad, okay? The devil accuses her of being a fad, okay? It's artificial
Jadi
intelligence.
si
To believe
iblis
that
menuduh
you're showing what the hell
malaikat
others,
bahwa
you will be
dia
more
menciptakan
successful.
sesuatu yang baru,
By the way, I don't even
kecerdasan
like to
buatan.
say it that way. What's a better way to say it?
Ada
I
cara
think
yang
it's
lebih baik
not
untuk
quite
mengatakan.
correct to say if you make a loan to the other coffee shop, your coffee shop will be more successful. think
Sungguhnya
it's
tidak terlalu
$9.
tepat kalau kita mengatakan bahwa kalau si pemilik
$500.
kafe memberikan pinjaman kepada
What?
pemilik kafe saingannya,
Wait, take your time.
si kafenya itu akan
Okay,
berkembang,
wait, let's get
akan
the
maju dan
question
berkembang.
straight.
Ya,
I
itu
think
kurang,
what I'm
harus ada
saying,
keterangan lagi.
you should make a loan to the other coffee shop so your coffee shop will be more successful. It's a little bit not correct.
Jadi meminjamkan uang kepada pemilik kafe pesaing
If you
supaya
give a loan to the other coffee shop, you
kafe
help
kita
them,
akan maju dan
you
berkembang.
plant a seed which later will open and bring up a luminous image. Based on the kindness you did to them, you will find the success you are wishing for. No?
Go farther.
Huh?
Go farther.
Jadi kalau kita
The luminous
membantu
image is going to project.
membantu ke pemilik kafe
still making
pesaing
500.
itu bisa
I'll say
menanam bibit yang nantinya akan
we know what's going on.
berubah
I'll say the
sehingga
question
bisnis
again.
kita berkembang.
If I
Jadi
present our
pertanyaannya,
philosophy, our new artificial intelligence,
jadi
which
kalau
started
saya
2,500
menyebarkan
years ago,
filosofi baru yang berasal dari naskah kuno 2500 tahun.
then your company's coffee shop will succeed.
Jadi kalau Anda membantu kafe pesaing, maka kafe Anda akan sukses dan
And
berkembang.
I'll give $500 for a good answer.
$500 untuk yang bisa menjawab dengan baik.
Okay, Rob, you gotta find another victim. $500 for a better answer. $500 for a better
$500
answer.
untuk yang bisa menjawab lebih baik.
I think maybe there is no competitor.
Tidak ada pesaing,
Doesn't exist.
jadi si pesaing tidak
You
ada.
wanna try online? You wanna try online?
Coba
Try
secara
online. Can we do online?
bisakah kita melakukan secara online?
Brian, send the money.
Brian nanti akan transfer uangnya. Banyak yang angkat tangan di sini.
Hi, Priscilla.
Hi, Singapore.
Ini ada yang
from
jawab dari
Vietnam.
Singapura,
Oh, Vietnam. Okay.
dari Vietnam.
Yeah, it's not enough. We should help them to plant the seed to be successful.
Tidak
So
cukup kita hanya menanam bibit untuk
to help them successful, and
berhasil.
then your coffee shop will be successful. Money is not enough. You have to also plant seeds to help them to be successful.
Jadi
And
kita
assist them to plant the seeds.
kita harus membantu mereka supaya mereka
Let's
sukses.
say $500.
Oke, bisa mendapatkan $200.
It's not enough to say, if I help the other coffee shop,
Jadi tidak cukup kalau
I'll
kita
be more
membantu
successful. It's not enough to say.
kafe pesaing, kita akan
There'll
sukses.
be two successful coffee shops.
Yang benar adalah kita membantu si kafe pesaing untuk
That's a
sukses.
lot more happy.
Sehingga
Anyway, I went to her
dua-dua kafe
new
semuanya
coffee
akan
shop. I stood
sukses.
there. I never met her before. I just met her husband who
Jadi kalau si pemilik kafe
they got divorced.
pesaing itu,
I asked her, "I've been helping
si
you since
Jason
the
Michael
first day.
sebelumnya
What
belum
is
pernah
it
ketemu
you work
mereka.
on?" The guy ran
Dan
away
ternyata
from me.
mereka suami istri bercerai
So
dan
she
Jason
will be
Michael membantu
successful.
istrinya.
And
Jadi
she will learn my example. The best
Jadi
way
Jason
without
Michael
teaching.
membantu
With
si
no
istri
teaching.
dengan
There
pinjaman
will be no
$35.000,
goodness class.
tetapi akan lebih
She
baik
just
kalau
grabbed the
Jason
money
Michael
and I will
membantu
change her
supaya
mind
kafe
just
itu
slightly.
sukses.
She will
Dan
start to wonder why
caranya
my
adalah
competitor
dengan si pemilik
wants to
kafe
help
itu
her. And
belajar
maybe,
dari Jason Michael
probably,
dengan cara Jason
she will
Michael
change.
bagaimana menjadi
She will
sukses.
change slightly. And she will start helping other people. Then we'll have two
Dan
successful coffee shops.
Dan
And then
keberhasilannya bisa
which is two
diukur
more
di
than
mana si
before.
pemilik kafe pesaing ini mulai membantu orang lain supaya
You
sukses.
don't know how bad
Nah,
it was to be
disitulah
late.
sehingga akan ada
You
dua
know anecdotes
kafe
to go to
yang
the gas
sukses
station
dan
to get
membantu
some coffee.
kafe-kafe lain juga untuk sukses.
We counted the number of beers going out of the gas station one time while we were there for half an hour. How many was it?
Waktu itu mereka suatu hari duduk di kafe dan menghitung
140
rusa yang
beers
datang,
went out of
rusa-rusa
the
liar.
grocery. This is what sells in our town. Now, something interesting. I met the lady after
Ada
that.
satu yang menarik. Dia ketemu dengan si
Okay, it looks okay.
wanita pemilik kafe itu,
And she said something strange is happening in our town.
dan
And I
si
said,
wanita pemilik kafe itu bilang
"What's
ada
going
sesuatu
on?"
yang
I
aneh
said, "Well,
terjadi di kota
first
ini.
strange thing is
Satu
the
hal
two
yang aneh,
coffee shop owners are helping each other. And
ya
that's strange.
hal aneh yang
It's
pertama
wonderful.
adalah
She
dua
said,
pemilik
"It's
kafe
wonderful."
saling membantu satu sama
Then
lain.
she said, suddenly, the
Dan
income in
tiba-tiba
our town has increased.
eh,
The Rimrock economy, the
lok
average income is
ekonomi di kota tersebut
no, I
meningkat
mean there's real cars driving around. You know,
dan
like
lebih
I saw
banyak
a
mobil
Tesla again.
datang.
You know,
Kan ada
you
mobil
know,
Tesla
usually
juga.
it's old Chevrolets from
Biasanya kan mobil-mobil
1960,
tua karena banyak pensiunan
broken
yang tinggal di
down
sini.
cars, and
Sekarang
no, and
kotanya
the house
berkembang
prices have doubled. The house prices
dan
have doubled.
harga properti
So
meningkat.
it's changing, okay? And
Kotanya sudah
maybe
berubah.
there's something going on. Okay?
Mungkin ada sesuatu yang terjadi.
Artificial intelligence has reached even
Mungkin
Rimrock.
kecerdasan buatan sudah berbuah.
People ask me, well, Gesla, you live in New York for 19 years. You made the largest jewelry company in the world. Why you live in Rimrock?
Jason Michael, Anda kan sudah tinggal di New York selama 19 tahun dan mengembangkan perusahaan berlian terbesar di dunia. Kenapa Anda tinggal di Rimrock?
50 years ago. And I didn't want to bother her, so I didn't move to Arizona. But then she got divorced. Then I got Pin. She has two houses, one in Flagstaff, one in Cornville. So I put two pins, one on the map. I said one is Flagstaff and one is Cornville. And then I see what's halfway between. And I said, I will buy a house there and I will fish for her. And that's called Rimrock. And that's why
Jadi,
I'm in Rimrock.
kenapa Jason Michael tinggal di Rimrock? Karena dia ingin membantu seorang yang kebetulan tinggal di Arizona dan punya rumah di Flagstaff dan di kota lain. Dan Rimrock berada di antara kedua kota tersebut, sehingga Jason Michael tinggal di situ maksudnya agar bisa membantu pemilik rumah di dua lokasi.
Is unusual formation of stone.
Di sini ada biara di Cina yang membangun biara di daerah Bukit Berbatu yang jenis batunya itu berbeda. Itu di dekat Gurun Gobi. Karena di daerah itu sangat kering. Kalau Anda jalan di gurun, Anda bisa mati karena untuk ratusan kilometer isinya cuma gurun. Ya, ini batunya sangat padat.
You can carve rock. So people started to do meditation there.
Dan orang bisa membangun gua di situ.
Into the wall, and even the roof will stay up. You don't need any support for the roof.
Batu itu sedemikian kerasnya itu Anda bisa bikin gua di situ dan tanpa harus pakai tiang dan sebagainya. Cukup dengan memahat dari batu tersebut dan mereka mulai bermeditasi di sana. Dan ini berada di tepi di jalur sutra, yaitu jalur yang menghubungkan Asia dengan Eropa.
The Senate of Rome had a vote to stop all import of silk from China.
Waktu itu kerajaan Roma menghentikan pengiriman sutra dari Cina.
Too much gold was going to China. They passed a law against Chinese silk. You weren't allowed to wear Chinese.
Karena mereka tidak mau kehilangan banyak emas. Sebelumnya mereka membeli sutra itu dengan emas.
From China, it was capital offense. You would be killed.
Dan waktu itu orang yang membeli sutra dari Cina akan mendapatkan hukuman.
Silkworms, mulberry tree leaves. There's only one kind of leaf they want to eat. And so that was top secret. And they say some queens
sutra yang sangat unik yang tidak ada duanya di dunia karena hanya bisa dihasilkan oleh ulat dari daun mulberry yang hanya ada di tempat tertentu.
So now we have mulberry trees in Arizona a lot. I have one
Tapi
in
sekarang
my
mereka
just
menanam
because it's
mulberry, daun mulberry itu
so
di
grow
Arizona
very well in Arizona. So
dan
anyway,
tumbuh
this
dengan
is
baik.
the Silk Road.
Jadi itu
And
bisa
so we
menjadi
were
jalur
at a
sutra.
crossroads. Dunhuang is at a crossroads between
Jadi
east
yang
and west.
tempat meditasi
If
itu
you go
berada di
anywhere, you go
persimpangan
to
jalan di
Dunhuang
jalur
and then you go
sutra,
to the capital of China, which is what?
dan dari sana
Old capital,
Anda
Changzhou.
bisa
Chang'an.
pergi
Nowadays
ke
called
ibu
Xi'an.
kota Cina, kota tua
So
yang kota yang dulu.
this idea that you don't have to die, this idea that in theory, if you help other people to live, you don't have to die yourself. is
Jadi
a
ada teori yang
myth.
mengatakan bahwa kalau
Just
kita
like
membantu
AI.
orang lain,
It's very similar to AI. It's like how to make silk,
kita
how to
nanti
make
tidak
porcelain,
tidak akan
Chinese
mati.
porcelain, how to make
Jadi, sama
gunpowder,
seperti
how
kita
to make paper.
membuat
All these things
sutra
were
atau
started by
membuat
Europeans
porselen
in China.
atau
Thank
membuat
you very
kertas
much.
di Cina.
And and this knowledge of things passed down the Silk Road for thousands.
Pengetahuan itu diturunkan kepada generasi selanjutnya melalui jalur
So
sutra.
it's been passing on. Dunhuang is like the center of the Silk Road. Xi'an is
Jadi yang pusat meditasi itu
also very.
adalah
So I
seperti
think
pusat pengembangan ilmu di mana mereka
the devil
menurunkan
at this point, he's
pengetahuan ke
accusing
generasi-generasi
the
berikutnya.
angel. He says, I represent the wisdom, the timeless wisdom of the world. I
Jadi si
represent, the
iblis
devil said,
mengatakan bahwa ia mewakili kebijaksanaan manusia yang sudah berlaku selama berabad-abad,
other people to get money and to get
yaitu
resources.
bahwa kita harus selalu bersaing
We
dengan
have a
orang lain
system
untuk bisa
in my
mendapatkan
world
uang.
called death.
Dan ada
All
sistem di
beings
dalam
must
dunia seperti
follow
ini
it, okay? We have a
yang
certain law
disebut
from
dengan
ancient
kematian.
times that
Jadi
human beings
dari
are
zaman
allowed to
dulu
walk around for a while,
bahwa ada
try to look
kebijaksanaan
more beautiful than the other human beings,
bahwa
and then they
manusia
get
terus
ugly and they
bersaing
die.
untuk kelihatan lebih cantik atau lebih
This is our
bagus,
system.
dan
And it's been here
kemudian
since forever.
mereka akan mati.
This is our tradition.
Dan
And
itu
we
adalah
have to
tradisi
follow the
yang harus
tradition
diikuti
of ancient times. People get
dari
born,
zaman dahulu kala.
people look handsome, strong, then we make them ugly and skinny, and then they die.
Jadi orang akan dilahirkan dan kemudian menjadi manusia yang
She says, I'm the new way.
bagus, manusia yang sehat dan bagus, dan kemudian menjadi tua dan buruk, dan kemudian
What's
mati.
your new invention? We say, if you want to get rich, if you want to have a successful coffee shop or whatever, then help somebody else to do the same thing. Help
Nah,
somebody else
kalau
to do the same
gitu, apa penemuan baru kamu?
That
Dia
principle
bertanya kepada
is
malaikat,
so
dan kemudian
true
kata malaikatnya
that if you follow
bahwa
all
kalau
the
kita
way
ingin
to giving
sukses,
other
kalau
people
kita ingin
life,
tetap muda, kita harus
you don't
membantu
have to
orang lain
die.
untuk sukses. Dan
You
kalau
can
kita
overcome
banyak
death
membantu
and
orang
sorrow.
lain, kita tidak harus
And
mati.
this is a new system. So
Ini adalah
this
sistem baru.
time in the book is
Jadi dalam
very
buku ini
beautiful. It's very, very
sangat indah
beautiful.
sekali.
The devil is saying, look,
Si
getting old,
iblis
being
mengatakan,
born, getting sick, losing your hair,
jadi
dying,
dilahirkan,
kidney
kemudian kita
disease,
tumbuh
all this
menjadi
stuff.
manusia
This
dewasa,
is
dan kemudian
tradition.
menjadi tua dan mati.
This is
Itu
the
adalah
way.
tradisi.
We have
Itu
to
adalah
respect
cara lama.
what's always been the tradition of our people.
Dan kita harus
This is our
menghormati
tradition.
kehidupan
You're
seperti
just
itu.
a new idea. You know,
Anda
this
baru saja
idea that you don't have
memperkenalkan
to die,
gagasan baru bahwa
this
kita
idea
tidak
that
harus
you have to
mati.
help your competitors,
Dan gagasan bahwa kita harus membantu pesaingin
unnatural.
itu sangat tidak alami. Saya alami.
Now I have a
Saya
question for
ada
you, $100. Wake up.
hal yang alami.
It's amazing. The devil says,
Jadi
my
si iblis
system is
berkata,
natural. This is
cara
the way
saya
it's
adalah
always been.
alami.
People have been born, people, grow,
Orang dilahirkan, orang bersaing
build house,
untuk
die.
mendapatkan
Give
uang,
the
untuk
house to the
membangun
kids,
rumah,
they sell it in 2 weeks. This is the
dan
house you
mewariskan rumahnya untuk
kill
anak-anak.
yourself to make for your kids. They don't want to live in Rimrock. They sell it in 2 weeks, okay? So this is the old system. He says
Itu
this
adalah
is
cara
natural.
lama. Dan
My
itu
way is
alami.
natural. Your way is
Cara
artificial
Anda,
intelligence. You are
itu
not
adalah
natural.
kecerdasan buatan.
This whole thing
Tidak
of
alami.
giving the competitor money,
Kita harus di mana
this
kita
whole thing of
membantu
supporting
pesaing
people,
Anda,
trying to compete with you,
memberi pinjaman kepada
this is
pesaing Anda,
unnatural. You
itu
are
sangat tidak
unnatural.
alami.
Is he correct?
Apakah si iblis ini benar?
Tell me,
100.
is the devil's position correct? What's the
Apakah
question,
posisi
Yeshua?
si
The
iblis
devil has
itu
a system
benar?
that's been going on in this world
Si
from the
iblis punya
beginning.
sistem
He
yang
says
sudah
this is the
berjalan di
way it's always
dunia
been.
sejak awal,
This is natural.
yang
Your
alami,
system is artificial.
sementara yang diajarkan oleh si malaikat itu tidak alami.
$100 question.
Ini pertanyaan $100.
It's coming from my seeds because I'm planting the seeds to
Karena
see
karena semua datang dari bibit saya, karena saya menanam bibitnya.
$100. Yeah, she, you expect
bibit.
the angel to say, no, you're not natural. I'm natural. No, you're
jadi
artificial. I'm not
Si
artificial.
malaikat akan berkata, enggak, kamu tidak alami. Yang alami adalah cara saya, yaitu dengan menanam bibit.
The tradition of this world. You are what's natural in this world. In this world so far,
Di dunia ini,
people compete.
orang dilahirkan,
Things
orang
for their
bersaing,
kids, they die, the kids sell them.
kemudian mereka mewarisi hartanya ke anak-anaknya.
She doesn't fight him on that. It's very interesting.
Jadi si malaikat tidak berdebat dengan si
You are
iblis
the
dalam hal
natural
itu.
way of this world, and I admit that. And I admit I'm
Si
artificial.
malaikat mengakui bahwa itu adalah cara alami di dunia ini, di mana orang dilahirkan, orang bersaing,
And a strange way in this
orang
world,
menjadi
but
tua,
it's
orang
the best
mati.
way. Okay, and I thought it's a very interesting conversation. You are the way it's always been, devil.
Jadi sistem yang diajarkan oleh si iblis adalah hal yang alami yang selalu berlaku, yaitu orang bersaing, orang selalu bersaing dari sejak awal.
Okay,
Dan
you
itu
are
adalah
natural to
alami.
this world. You are the way it's always been. But
Dan
it's a bad
hal
system.
itu yang selama ini
And I say
berlaku.
we need a new one. Okay, it's very beautiful.
Tapi kemudian si malaikat mengatakan, tapi kita butuh
She's
sistem
an
baru.
ancient new AI. And she says,
Walaupun dari ajaran kuno, tapi merupakan kecerdasan buatan yang baru, yaitu di mana kita membantu satu sama
people
lain.
can go to one at 6 o'clock. I'm not opening at 6 o'clock. And people can go the other one at 8:30 or something. Okay, that's okay. Got it? Is she natural in
Nah,
this
sekarang
world?
apakah cara si malaikat ini alami?
Better. Yeah. Okay, got it.
Tidak alami, tapi apakah lebih baik? Iya, lebih
And
baik.
I wanted to say this. It's been a hard month. People keep dying. And
Dan bulan ini sangat berat karena banyak yang meninggal.
Cave houses here. Cave
Mereka
retreat.
pergi ke
We want to call it
rumah-rumah tempat
we
retreat.
call Dunhuang West. And
Mereka pergi ke tempat meditasi Dunhuang
I
di
chose
dekat
them many years ago, like 20 years ago.
si Jason Michael memilih tempat di sana 20 tahun yang lalu di
We want to build special ones. We'll paint them like Dunhuang.
mereka sedang membangun
So we
tempat
went to a special
meditasi.
company, architecture company called Line and Space.
Mereka mendatangi satu perusahaan arsitektur
They were children. They know this marble. They know these
dan
mountains.
perusahaan arsitektur ini tahu bagaimana cara menangani batu tersebut.
They used to hike in there and dig it and come out with it.
Dan mereka sudah sering ke sana juga.
And so these guys know
Dan
this area. One is Chinese.
mereka juga
One was
senang
born
menggali
in
batu di
the
sana.
US. He's Chinese. And so
Ada
they
tiga
built a lot of buildings in China.
ada tiga pemuda yang menjalankan perusahaan itu.
Beautiful government buildings and things.
Mereka sudah membangun beberapa gedung pemerintah yang bagus,
They designed the stupas.
dan mereka juga merancang patung-patungnya, stupanya.
Company, you know.
Ya, ini perusahaan yang sangat bagus sekali.
Me and Stanley are like innovation retreat. Let's
Dan-
build some cave.
Dan mereka
Like Dunhuang.
Jason Michael dan Stanley berbicara dengan perusahaan arsitektur itu, memikirkan tentang ide-ide mereka untuk membuat gua tempat meditasi di sana.
The guy didn't answer his email. We're like getting irritated. We had a meeting, you know. Stanley's like, I don't know if we should keep these guys. I'm like, I don't know.
Tapi,
He's a good guy. I don't know why he's not answering.
Mereka kurang respon tidak
Okay,
membalas
he
email.
died. He's young, he's
Ternyata
strong, he's handsome. He has
si
a very successful
anak muda
company.
itu
He was
baru saja
riding his
meninggal.
bicycle
Dia
and he got
sudah
killed.
menciptakan perusahaan yang
You
sukses,
know, and
tapi meninggal karena kecelakaan lagi naik
it
sepeda,
happens.
dia
That's the world that we live in. You know, so
ketabrak.
me and
Dan itu
Stan
yang
are
terjadi di
let's
dunia ini. Kita nggak pernah tahu kapan kita
not
mati.
write them for a few weeks. They're trying to get used to that they lost their best friend. You know,
Kalau
one of the
ya
things-
di sana mereka udah terbiasa kehilangan teman
Then
baiknya.
I got a text from my lawyer, Bob Brown, if you know him.
Dan
He's the
kemudian
best
Jason
church
Michael
lawyer in Arizona.
dapat
Teaches church law at the university. And he
pesan
put it
dari
on my phone,
pengacaranya.
and he didn't answer his email. I'm like, what's going on? And then he wrote me and he said, my wife died.
Dan si pengacaranya juga sebelumnya tidak respon
Just saw
kepada
her, you
Jason
know,
Michael,
and he said, yeah, she got sick 2
tidak
weeks ago.
membalas
She
emailnya,
died
dan ternyata
yesterday.
istrinya baru meninggal.
She just got sick 2 weeks
Ya.
ago and then she died yesterday.
Dan
he
istrinya
said,
tiba-tiba
he's
sakit
like,
2
good
minggu
luck
yang lalu
and
dan
die.
meninggal kemarin.
I
Jadi
give up.
kita tidak pernah menduga orang bisa mati secara tiba-tiba.
You know, what I'm saying is the
Yang
natural
dikatakan oleh Jason Michael adalah
in a world of
cara
competition
alami
where you
di
fight
dunia
for
yang penuh
dignity,
persaingan, di mana kita
where you
harus
fight for the where you
memperjuangkan
fight for the land,
makanan,
the best land
mana
in
kita
Europe,
harus
the best
memperjuangkan untuk mendapatkan tanah properti kita.
it's the biggest land in Europe. So fight for it, you know, try to take
Jadi
it.
kita harus
That's the world of
harus
death.
bersaing.
See, that philosophy, that
Tapi
thinking
itu adalah
that
kehidupan
I should
yang
fight and I
mengacu
should take
kepada
the land from
kematian.
unlike people. I
Itu
should
adalah
fight to
filosofi kematian, bahwa
that
kita harus
kind of
mengambil
thinking
sesuatu dari orang
is
lain.
the devil's way. Is it
Dan itu
tradition?
cara hidup iblis, dan itu
It's
merupakan
tradition.
kebiasaan.
Is it correct?
Tapi apakah itu
No.
benar?
You see, so
Tidak.
we're kind of death is natural.
Jadi kita seperti percaya bahwa kematian itu adalah alami, menjadi tua dan mati itu adalah alami, dan itu berlaku di dunia ini. Tapi itu adalah kesalahpahaman.
Okay, you can say Buddha paradise,
Karena
and I always
dalam
wonder what the Buddha
sistem baru, kita tidak harus
You'd be so
menjalani
bored to
hidup
sit
yang
there
seperti
in
itu.
meditation all day, you know. Do they have Netflix in Buddha paradise? You know?
Ya, ini seperti surga para Buddha.
You know,
Coba
I don't know
pikirkan.
about you. When I first heard about Buddha paradise, I asked my teacher, "Well, what do they do there? Do they go
Ya.
on dates?"
Dan Jason Michael pernah bertanya kepada gurunya, kalau kita tinggal di surga para Buddha, apa yang akan kita lakukan di sana? Apakah bermeditasi sepanjang hari? Bosan banget dong. Ada Netflix nggak di sana?
Okay, it's more interesting, right? So you shouldn't think like that. I mean, Buddha paradise.
Tapi jangan
is
berpikir seperti itu.
exciting, cool, happy.
Karena surga para Buddha itu sangat keren, menyenangkan.
Don't think like that, okay?
Jangan berpikir bahwa itu akan jadi tempat yang membosankan. Cara sistem baru ini adalah berbeda, dan itu tidak alami. Itu adalah buasa, dan kita harus menanamnya.
We are the dumb guys. In the
Si orang-orang bodoh. Kita
guys.
adalah orang yang bodoh
This
di
world
dalam
is
galaksi
full of
ini.
dumb guys. And there's better worlds where they figured out the coffee shop thing a long time ago. And they live
Dan
that
di
way.
galaksi ini ada planet yang orang-orangnya sudah lebih pintar. Mereka sudah memahami kenapa kita harus
competitive way of
membantu
thinking leads to
pesaing.
dying. The cause of death in this world is
Penyebab kematian di dunia ini adalah persaingan.
the reason people die in this world is
Kenapa orang mati, meninggal di dunia ini adalah karena mereka bersaing. Itu adalah penyebab kematian.
Within how many hours?
Di Amerika berapa
Within 2
jam?
hours, by law, you have to call the police if somebody dies, and they have to
Dalam 2 jam Anda harus memberitahu polisi kalau seseorang meninggal.
You know, I tried to do prayers for one monk in New Jersey. And the
Kalau
police
Jason
came and said,
Michael, dia berolah untuk mendoakan seorang yang baru saja meninggal, tapi tidak
"No,
diperbolehkan
I
karena
can't.
dalam
It's
waktu 2 jam
so
harus
hard."
segera
And I said,
diinfokan
"No,
kepada
by
polisi,
law, he has to go in the refrigerator.
dan harus dimasukkan ke dalam lemari pendingin.
By law.
secara
If you keep him
hukum,
here, we can charge you. And I'm like,
karena kalau tidak nanti
then,
mereka bisa
what
kena
happened?
hukuman.
We both went in the ambulance, and I stayed in the refrigerator with him for like
Jadi
4
waktu itu
hours.
karena
And I had all these coats on.
mayatnya harus segera
And I
ditaruh di
had to,
lemari pendingin, akhirnya Jesse Michael ikut masuk ke dalam lemari pendingin supaya bisa mendoakan
in this
si
country, I don't know
biarawan
about
tersebut.
this, but by law, they have to
Secara
go in the
hukum,
refrigerator because it smells.
dalam 2 jam harus dimasukkan ke dalam lemari pendingin karena kalau tidak akan menjadi bau
Okay.
dan
It's bad.
kemudian
So
menyebarkan
we're talking
penyakit.
about a new world and
Jadi
a
kita
new way.
bicara tentang dunia yang
By the way,
baru
this
dan cara yang baru.
how much time I got, Tim? 10
Kita
minutes?
masih ada
Good.
waktu berapa lagi? Oke, 10 menit.
This is the caves. The
Ini
mountain you
adalah
see in the
guanya.
background is
Anda
partly
bisa lihat
sand
ada
dunes,
gunungnya di
and
belakangnya.
it's partly that porous rock.
Itu
And that's
semua
where there's
terbuat dari
700
batu.
caves have been carved out of the mountain.
Ada beberapa ratus gua yang dipahat di batu
Can you
tersebut.
imagine 700 retreat cabins?
Ada
Can
700
you imagine
kabin
700 people
pondok di dalam
meditating
gua
retreat
di
cabins
gunungan
for
batu
1,000
tersebut.
years? You know,
Jadi
can you
selama
imagine
beberapa
such a thing? And
ribuan
so
tahun orang
there's a funny
sudah berhasil
story
memahat gua-gua di
that
dalam gunung batu
one
tersebut.
monk was there. By the way,
Ada satu biarawan
he was
yang sedang
having a
bermeditasi
cigarette illegally.
dan
Monks
dia
are not supposed
bawa
to smoke.
rokok
And,
secara tidak sah.
even, he's Taoist? I didn't know. Okay. So he's leaning against the cave wall and he's smoking. And he
Dan
noticed
dia
the
merokok
smoke
di dalam salah satu gua
and
dan
it goes into
kemudian
the wall.
asapnya
He
masuk ke
started
dalam
going into the wall.
dinding.
And he saw a crack in the wall. And then he realized it's a fake wall. It's not the edge of the cave. And they dig, and they found 60,000 books hidden behind the wall.
Dan
They were
ternyata
stolen by 4 countries.
secara tidak sengaja si orang tersebut melihat bahwa dindingnya ternyata dinding buatan, bukan dinding batu. Dan ternyata di balik dinding tersebut tersimpan ratusan ribu buku yang rupanya diselundupkan, disembunyikan di situ pada saat
But anyway, we
perang.
were working on those books.
Dan mereka berusaha mengumpulkan buku-buku
Rosa
tersebut
has a project
diterjemahkan.
to make jewelry.
Stanley sudah membuat proyek untuk membuat perhiasan
Good
dan
Night Book Club bags. And
dan
if
juga mereka
we sell the
membuat
jewelry in China, or we sell the bag in China,
tas
or
untuk
Vietnam, or
menaruh
another
buku.
country, we donate the profit to the after salaries. We donate the profit to something in the same country. That's our tradition.
Jadi
So
kalau mereka
Rosa has
punya
donated
proyek,
30
mereka mendonasikan sebagian keuntungannya
last year
untuk
to Stanley project
satu
to
proyek
save the
di
books
negara
online
tersebut.
and to make a catalog. Yeah.
Jadi si Stanley udah membuat perhiasan yang kemudian didonasikan kepada orang-orang di negara tersebut.
And I saw those books in Russia. We were in St. Petersburg
Dan
for 12 years.
mereka juga melihat
And a Chinese
buku
team came
naskah
from
yang
China.
dalam bahasa
So
Rusia.
we were having lunch together all the time with the team from China and our Russian team. And we were
Jadi
working
mereka
together.
sering makan bersama,
It was very fun.
tim dari Cina dan tim
It
dari
was very
Rusia.
beautiful. You want an old man story?
Menyenangkan sekali.
We worked together. We were there for 12 years.
Mereka sudah bersama selama
We
12
paid all
tahun
the salaries and
dan mereka membayar gajinya.
121,000 books.
Dan mereka sudah mengerjakan
On the
200
next
ribuan
floor,
buku.
the Chinese scholars, our
Dan
sister team
di lantai di
from
atasnya
China, they
orang-orang
were
dari Cina,
cataloging the Dunhuang books
mereka
that were
membuat
stolen in
katalog
Russia.
dari
So
buku-buku yang dicuri oleh
ate
orang
lunch
Rusia,
together. And
dan mereka
one
makan
day
siang
they
bersama.
said to us, and we can
Dan
barely
suatu
speak
hari
to
mereka
each other.
berkata, walaupun mereka sulit untuk berkomunikasi karena beda bahasa.
You know, we're like, oh man, you know, we like hanging out with you guys. We like having lunches together. They said, yeah, well, we're finished. We took
Mereka
photos
mengatakan
of
bahwa mereka telah
Dunhuang books
selesai
and all that,
pekerjaannya
you know.
dan kembali ke negaranya.
That night they went home.
Dan malam itu mereka
Took all their
kembali ke
equipment
negeri.
home to their apartment in St. Petersburg, and the police came.
Dan
And
kamu
they
dibawa ke
locked
Rusia.
them, handcuffed them to the plumbing. in the
Dan,
bathroom, and
dan
they
begitu
stole
mereka
all their
tiba di
equipment,
sana,
and they stole all
eh,
their slides and everything. And then
mereka ditangkap
they
polisi
called
dan
the
kemudian
police. You know, they stole everything, and we called the
mereka
police. And
dirampok
also, one of our guys was kidnapped,
dan
and
diculik.
they said pay $50,000 or we'll kill him. And we're like, phew. So anyway, we called the police, and they
Dan
said, we
mereka
said, why
memanggil
you
polisi.
stole their equipment? They said, we didn't go there. Somebody dressed up like police. Somebody bought a police uniform and went to their apartment and got inside.
Oh, jadi si
So
perampoknya itu
they
pakai
never got
baju
their slides.
seragam
They never got
polisi
their copies. They went
dan
home. They were scared.
mencuri peralatan yang
Stole.
mereka gunakan untuk menerjemahkan, bahkan
And the
minta
band already
tebusan
finished, so we should get out of here.
$50.000.
Yeah.
Itu proyeknya John Brady.
So we are using the Dunhuang manuscripts in the new empowerment. So if you take empowerment in October, you have to talk to who? Tim? Talk to
Jadi
Tim.
di bulan Oktober nanti mereka akan menerbitkan
There's
buku
no
yang
room for
diterjemahkan
everybody,
dari
but we
gua
need to reserve some
Guangzhou
places
itu.
for some of my friends, okay? But you have to talk to Tim. We have to figure out a way to find
Kita
space
harus
for more people, or we have to figure
bicara dengan tim karena kita harus memikirkan gimana kita bisa membuat lebih banyak tempat untuk orang-orang bermeditasi.
All right, but we will be using some manuscripts from Dunhuang, and we already translated them.
Kita akan menggunakan beberapa naskah dari
These are
dari tempat
Tibetan
tersebut
script
akan
in
menjadi
Chinese.
salah satu bahan untuk dipelajari.
Very, very rare. I've never seen that before, so it's kind of cool. All right. 2 minutes for questions.
2 menit untuk pertanyaan.
You decide, Tim or who? Microphone person.
Oke, tim, siapa yang akan dijawab pertanyaannya?
I have a burning question, but I have no voice to ask it.
I've always found it was really pleasant when the students got laryngitis.
Thank you for always pushing me. A few days ago, I heard you say,
Saya ingin bertanya, tapi saya nggak ada suara.
and my question is, how do I work with my seeds in order to hear you say, I see many Aryas in my world?
That's a good question. I'll repeat. Sarah Ni said, I heard you say a few days ago that you never saw another Arya. And how can I change my seeds to make it happen that
Jadi si Sarah mengatakan bahwa dia tidak pernah melihat Arya dan bagaimana bisa menanam bibitnya supaya dia bisa melihat para Arya.
just keep doing what we're doing? You know, I believe
Jadi
that
harus lakukan apa yang kita
the
lakukan.
organizations that we have technically on paper we have 41 organizations, okay?
Kita ada 41 organisasi di bawah
And it's very, very difficult for me.
dan sangat sulit buat
I
Jason
really
Michael
have to be the umpire. What do you call it? I have to
karena
be the referee. I have to keep them all cooperating with each other.
karena Jason Michael harus mempersatukan mereka semua
And it's
supaya
really,
bisa
really difficult.
bekerja sama antara satu sama lain.
It's like having 41 kids, okay?
Seperti punya anak 41,
I mean, it's my pleasure to do it, but it's difficult. And,
Jason Michael
it takes
merasa
many,
senang
many hours
melakukannya,
every day.
tapi sangat
But,
sulit dan
each
butuh berjam-jam untuk bisa menanganinya.
goal
Dan
is to
setiap
produce artists. In the
organisasi
end, the
itu
purpose of
memiliki
all
tujuan
41
untuk menghasilkan naskah.
organizations is to produce artists. I believe that each organization
Michael percaya bahwa
has
setiap
a
organisasi
unique ability
punya
to
cara
create artists.
tersendiri
So
untuk
like
menciptakan para
YSI
Arya.
is creating Aryas through asana practice, like that.
Jadi
And
contohnya
Thompson
kalau
is
YSL,
creating Aryas
dia
through
menciptakan
meditation.
Arya melalui yoga.
And like that, I believe that each
Kita perbuatan baik
different
kita
organization
menghasilkan orang-orang Arya
was designed
Jadi setiap
have a
organisasi
unique ability to create a different kind of area,
memiliki
different raw
kemampuan
material.
tersendiri untuk bisa
So,
menciptakan
so we
area.
try to identify
Kita berusaha
all the
menentukan
kinds of students there are,
uh,
and then we created that many
murid
youth
seperti
organizations.
apa
And
yang bisa bergabung.
I don't think you can do less than 41. Okay, you can't force the yoga people to meditate all day, and you can't force the meditators to do headstands all day. They won't do
Ya,
it.
dan memang diperlukan 41 organisasi karena mereka semua melakukan hal yang berbeda sesuai kemampuannya masing-masing. Kita tidak bisa memaksakan orang yang bermeditasi untuk melakukan yoga atau orang yang yoga untuk bisa bermeditasi berjam-jam. Jadi ada berbagai cara. Kita menciptakan area dengan berbagai cara. Mungkin Jesse Michael berusaha menyingkirkan beberapa dari mereka, tapi dia tidak bisa karena masing-masing punya caranya sendiri. Jadi dia akan mempertahankan semuanya.
Each one is designed, and I truly believe that each organization is
setiap organisasi
and you don't see it. You just see the organization that you're in.
Anda tidak melihatnya, Anda hanya tahu organisasi yang Anda bergabung di dalamnya.
Make sure they don't steal each other's funding, stuff like that. I have to keep them all going.
Tapi Jesse Michael harus mengawasi semuanya dan memastikan bahwa mereka tidak berselisih satu sama lain.
Each one is creating areas.
Tapi setiap organisasi menciptakan area.
I say it's working.
Dan semuanya berhasil menciptakan area.
Support each other.
Jadi kalau kita bisa membantu satu sama lain, organisasi yang berbeda, guru yang berbeda, area yang sama menghasilkan informasi, semua kita akan menjadi sukses dan saling membantu sama lain. Itu yang dipercaya oleh Jesse Michael.
Okay, take a break. See you in. I'll get your question on the way back when we come back. Okay. What time we start again? Oh, please stay. Please stay. Really, for that? You sure you want to do it now? You want to do it? No. Please sit for a moment, okay?
Kita duduk sebentar.
Tim's gonna make an announcement.
Ada pengumuman dari tim.
Okay.
Baiklah.
All right, so very quickly.
Pengumuman cepat.
Couple of things. So, where are the envelopes? So we
Mana
have envelopes for
amplop?
various types of
Kita ada amplop
offerings to volunteers
untuk
and teachers.
persembahan
Michael.
untuk para volunteer dan para guru dan Jesse Michael.
And then there's one thing I did want to chat with you all.
Ada satu hal yang saya ingin informasikan pada Anda. Seperti yang dikatakan Jesse Michael,
his organizations, there's
ada 41 organisasi
and they're around the world in various
di seluruh
places,
dunia,
and each
di berbagai
organization
tempat.
has its own
Dan setiap organisasi
audience, and it has its
punya
own way of presenting,
komunitasnya sendiri
and they're tailored to different cultures and different
dan memiliki kultur yang
designed
berbeda.
for all types of people where they are.
Jadi dirancang untuk berbagai macam orang dimanapun mereka berada.
There's also some places where five houses.
Dan kita mengajarkan pengajaran 5 rumah. Suaranya hilang. Suaranya tim hilang, maaf.
Have different cultures and have different governments and have different.
Jadi itu memiliki budaya yang berbeda, pemerintahan yang berbeda di bawah pemerintahan yang berbeda.
That there's such diversity in the world.
Jadi
so we have a diverse
indah
way of
sekali
doing
bahwa
things.
kita punya
All right.
perbedaan.
And so one of the things that we do at Five Houses is that we respect all the laws, regulations, policies
Jadi yang
in
dilakukan
every
di
single country.
pengajaran lima rumah adalah
And
kita
it's a
harus
gift that
menghormati
many people
hukum
can come
budaya
out of some of
di
those
setiap
countries
negara.
to visit the Five Houses, right? But we have to be very, very careful with what we're doing and how we're doing it.
Kita harus
And
berhati-hati
so
dengan
when
apa yang
you're
kita
here, it's
lakukan dan
beautiful.
bagaimana
Like,
melakukannya.
please, like share all the materials, but also know that there's some places where we have to be very sensitive with Five Houses materials.
Kita
And
harus
that's why
sangat
we have
sensitif
41
terhadap
organizations.
materi pengajaran
You
lima
know,
rumah.
there were some Five Houses teachers that came to me last year, and I asked them not to teach somewhere, and they taught there anyway. And I was like,
Jadi
please
ada
don't do
beberapa
that.
guru yang datang dari
There's
berbagai
reasons.
negara
There's
tahun
reasons.
lalu dan
And
tim sudah meminta
as
mereka
Geshe
untuk
was
tidak
saying, like
mengajarkan
these ideas
materi
are
lima
unnatural
rumah, tapi
anyway,
mereka
right?
mengajarkan
Like,
juga.
you know, we're trying to change things through kindness and compassion, and we have to respect
Berusaha merubah
everybody
dunia melalui
where they are,
kebaikan.
right? And
Dan
we respect all the
dan
laws and
supaya
countries
ini
and
bisa
policies
menjangkau
around
semua
the
orang,
world. We don't push it. We
apapun
don't.
latar belakangnya
In fact,
ataupun negaranya
I've
ataupun
been to all
budayanya.
of those countries, and I love going there. And
Dan
it's so
tim ingin
sweet.
mengunjungi semua negara-negara
It's so
itu.
beautiful to see different
Sangat
choices
indah untuk
of
melihat
ways to live a life. Right?
bagaimana cara hidup yang
And so I
berbeda-beda.
don't think we should see it as restrictions. I just see it as respecting
Jadi
others.
tim tidak melihat itu sebagai
And how they
hambatan
want
untuk
to
mengajarkan ajaran lima rumah, tapi
promote
kita harus
a
menyesuaikannya
healthy society.
So
just keep
dengan
that in
hati-hati.
mind. You know,
Jadi
and I don't
tolong
want to be harsh about it, and I think we should be gentle and celebrate. But we
kita harus
also just have to be
berhati-hati
mindful.
dan
You know,
harus
so Five Houses,
menyadari
it's
bahwa
beautiful that
ajaran
we're
lima
here at
rumah
Diamond Mountain, and when you do go home, please be
diajarkan di
mindful that
Diamond
some places
Mountain
we're just not there.
hanya diajarkan di Diamond
Including
Mountain,
teachers as well.
tapi kalau diajarkan di tempat lain
So
itu kita
think about,
belum
you know,
belum
some
bisa
people, and
melakukannya.
I've done that. Why do I have to see it? Because I've done it. I thought that I could just go under the radar, right? No one will notice.
Waktu itu
I don't have
mengalaminya sendiri, berusaha mengajarkannya,
but that's not the case.
kita tidak
right?
ketahuan, tapi kita
Each and
tidak
every one of you is important, and each and every
kita
one of you
tidak bisa
will
melakukannya.
have impact. Right? So
Setiap
just
orang
please,
adalah
just
penting dan setiap orang
please be
akan
careful
menciptakan dampak.
and please be
Jadi tolong
respectful
hati-hati
of
dan menghormati
what other people want. We don't
apa
push
yang
anyone,
diinginkan
right?
oleh orang lain. Jangan dipaksakan.
If you think about seeds, you understand why.
Kalau
So
Anda
I just wanted to
memikirkan tentang bibit, Anda akan
unfortunately have
memahami.
to say things like that sometimes.
Ya,
But I
maaf
also
saya harus
think it's a
mengatakan
good
itu,
lesson for us, like to
tapi ini pelajaran yang bagus
respect
buat kita
what
semua
other
untuk
people need and are
menghormati
asking
apa
for.
yang
And it's a gift that
dibutuhkan
makes the
atau
world
diminta
go
oleh
round. And
orang
it's a
lain.
beautiful seed that we are here, and that we have so
Dan
many
sangat
people online. We're in 12
indah sekali
languages.
bibit yang kita
We
miliki
have
untuk bisa berada di
2,000
sini
people
bersama.
registered for this program.
Ada
You know,
2.000
it's
orang
amazing what
mendaftar
we're
untuk
doing.
program ini. Itu sangat luar biasa.
You know, the world has 8 billion people, and we're only 2,000.
Dunia ini punya 8
It's a good
miliar orang.
start. Okay, it's a good
Kita
start.
hanya
So,
punya 2.000
we are going
peserta.
to be going to retreat tomorrow, and so Geshe has
Kita
one
akan
more class,
melakukan
and then
retreat
we're going to start the
besok.
preparations. We're going to start how to get into retreat, getting ready.
Besok kita akan mempersiapkan
And then
bagaimana
through tomorrow, we're then going to
bagaimana kita melakukan
do all
retreat.
those very special preparations, including the boundary ceremony, where we'll be
Ada persiapan khusus, termasuk juga bagaimana kita melindungi sumber pengajaran,
our mind and our physical space.
bagaimana melindungi
And then we'll have
pikiran
a couple
kita,
days
melindungi
to
tempat
find
retreat
joyful
kita,
effort. Yeah,
dan
I mean, it
melakukannya
was
dengan
great. I walked in this morning and I was like, "How are you?" And she was like, "I'm awesome." And I'm like, "Great." Like, let's have more I'm awesome. So let's take a break and we'll see you in a few minutes. And thank you all very much. Yes. Please take what was the
The
topic?
velvet bag
Okay.
that's going around is for Geshe. It doesn't say that, but I wanted everybody to know that.
Kita istirahat dulu.
Thank you everyone for joining class
Terima
A with
kasih
Yashi
semua
Makaroj, and thank you
yang sudah
teacher
bergabung
team.
dalam kelas ini.
And we
Dan
invite
tim,
you to express deeply gratitude to our dear teacher
kami mengundang
and
Anda untuk
also generously sharing this profound teachings.
menunjukkan penghargaan
Now
dan terima
please take
kasih
a
Anda
short
kepada
break
para guru.
in around 10 minutes, and we will
Kita
meet
akan
in
istirahat
class
kurang
A at
lebih
9
10
very
menit.
soon. We look forward to seeing you again very shortly. Thank you for your time.
Kita akan ketemu lagi segera. Terima kasih.